I learned the recipe in a restaurant. Finely chop all the vegetables. Put the vegetables in the pan. Season to taste. Fry for 5 minutes. Season the chicken fillet to taste. Add starch. Fry the chicken fillet. Remove the chicken fillet on a paper towel. Pour in soy sauce and starch dissolved in water. Add cooked pasta and fried chicken fillet.
Krusty Krab, this is the Krabby Patty. And now you, the humble employee of the
Light and super tasty dinner. Cut the chicken fillet into small pieces. Add eggs and spices to taste. Mix well. Add finely chopped parsley. Grated mozzarella, mayonnaise, and flour. Mix well. Spoon out the mixture. Fry for 5 minutes on both sides.
Krusty Krab, this is the Krabby Patty. And now you, the humble employee of the
Restaurant-style chicken rolls. Cut the chicken breast into slices. Beat the fillet until soft. Season to taste. Spread with melted cheese. Sprinkle with parsley. Finely chop the onion. Fry the onion with sliced mushrooms. Season to taste. Add the filling. Roll the chicken fillet. Bake for 25 minutes.
Krusty Krab, this is the Krabby Patty. And now you, the humble employee of the
This chicken wing recipe will make any chef envious. Cut the chicken wings into pieces. Cut one side off the plastic bottle. Place the chicken wings in. Pour in Pepsi. Marinate for 30 minutes. Mix the sauce ingredients. Boil the wings for 15 minutes. Melt the butter with vegetable oil. Fry the wings with spices and baking soda. Pour the sauce over the wings and Pepsi. Simmer for 20 minutes. Dessert in 5 minutes. Just puff pastry and apples. Brush the puff pastry with milk. Cover with another sheet of puff pastry. Roll out a little with a rolling pin. Cut the dough into long triangles. Peel the apples and grate them. Put the apples in the pan. Add sugar, cinnamon, and butter. Caramelize the apples a little. Brush the dough with apple jam. Add apricot jam. Sprinkle with blanched almonds. Roll the dough into croissants. Brush with egg yolk beaten with milk. Sprinkle with blanched almonds. Bake for 20 minutes.
Krusty Krab, this is the Krabby Patty. And now you, the humble employee of the